So, when did you decide you wanted to, start producing movies? Was there a particular event or time, when it struck you that suddenly this is the time to produce?
Yes, after Priyanka took her first season of Quantico, she went to America and then she came back in December.
Okay.
And that's when she told me that we should start making movies. First, I thought maybe she wanted to direct a movie.
Okay.
Then she said, "No, we need to make good movies." वहाँ का काम देखा होगा उसने और वहाँ से और हमारे यहाँ के difference she must have noticed. So that's when she decided that she wanted to set up a production house.
Okay.
And we did it.
Okay. So, what made you, venture into Marathi after doing a Bhojpuri film? Any particular reason for that, or you just wanted to?
It was not particularly Marathi, but
Mhm.
this was our agenda that we make all kinds of good regional films so that
Okay.
we integrate regional into mainstream.
Mhm.
We wanted to more people to know about specific regions of our country,
Okay.
their stories, their culture, their literature. Because half the country doesn't know how the people in other regions live. So we wanted to do that.
Okay, and coming back to Ventilator, what made you sign up Ashutosh for this particular role, and what made him say yes?
Oh, that was a difficult part. Yes,
He's coming back to
Priyanka-
acting after a long time, actually.
Then Rajesh ji suggested a few names. Then Priyanka said we should have Ashutosh. Ashu sir, as she calls him. And so Rajesh jumped. He said if he agrees, then that would be the best thing to happen. So Rajesh went to him. He was not ready at that time. He was doing Mohenjo-daro. He did not have time and he couldn't think of acting again. Without saying a no, he tried to stall us by saying, "Okay, abhi main Mohenjo-daro kar raha hu."
Okay.
Anyway, we waited for him for
Okay.
4.5 months. When he finished Mohenjo-daro, we were back. Okay, we need you.
Okay.
And then he said, "Acha, let me think. I'll read the script.
Okay. Was it hard to convince him actually, or as soon as he read the script, he was?
It was. I mean, he did not think he wanted to come into films and that too a Marathi film to
Okay.
start with. Then Priyanka also had a conversation with him. She said, "Ashu sir, you have to do it." Then he read the script and he loved it. Read the narration, he absolutely wanted to do it then.
Okay. And Ventilator is going to be screened at Mummy Festival this year. So what's your view on that?
I think it just shows that it's a beautiful film that has come out
Mhm.
from our company. Beautiful, very, very beautiful story. So that's a good platform that we've got, a good window to showcase our film. And it has to reach out to a lot more people.
Okay. And what upcoming projects for Purple Girl Pictures?
We have almost completed a Punjabi, which is again a very sensitive, a very beautiful film.
Okay.
You won't find any kind of dancing around the tree kind of a story.
Okay.
Although I have nothing against that, but we want to bring out quality stories, good stories
Mhm.
told nicely. So the Punjabi film is nice, and then we have a Rajasthani on getting ready.
Okay.
We might start shooting in December.
When can we see Purple Girl project pictures in Hindi, Bollywood?
Probably next year.
2017. How tough is production? How tough is producing a film? If you had to give it in in a single sentence or something, producer has the worst and the toughest job in creating a film actually. So how, according to you, since
And
this
people
is the
have
second
told
film?
me it's worse than what we felt, and for me it's a new territory, and that comes with it. But
Okay.
having worked with professionals, real good professional
Mhm.
talent in every skip, even the cast, the crew, everybody, well, you're so professional that it wasn't actually very difficult
Okay.
because they have so much regard for their craft that as people say कि मुश्किल है producer का पसीना निकल जाता producer has nothing of that happened. Of course, it was a very difficult shoot,
Okay.
but because of their professionalism, we could manage it in 34 days, which is again credit to Makaskar.
Okay. So what advice would you give for someone if he wants to get into production?
I think quality work makes life easy. Quality people. They should not compromise anywhere.
On the quality. Okay. And last question: does Priyanka Chopra have a cameo on this Ventilator?
Yes, she does.
She does, and can you tell us a little bit about the duration of her role or whatever you can reveal about
She
it?
starts the film. We establish RK, that
Okay.
is Ashutosh,
Ah.
to establish his thing, and Priyanka comes in as Priyanka Chopra herself,
Okay.
which
And-
Ashutosh and her have a scene.
Okay. Super.